Hi, so this is the very first video of tutorials on logo. So how to start with logo? Yes, first you have to get it downloaded on your computer, and when you install it you will get an icon like this on your desktop, right? When you double click it you will get this main screen of logo. Okay, so this is the logo main screen, which is actually divided into two parts. This is the first part, the upper window, and this is the second part. And the funny thing is these two parts can be separated, as you can see, right? But it is better to keep them together. This upper window is called logo main screen, and this top gray line where we have MSW logo screen written over that, and this is the icon of the logo. This top bar is called title bar. Here we have title of the software written, and then we have our usual windows. This is to minimize, this is to make it full screen, and this is to close. And then we have this second bar where we have file, bitmap, set, zoom, and help. So this bar is called menu bar. And then we have a small triangle over here. This is actually the hero of the logo. Yes, I call him hero, and it is called turtle. And this is the person, or this is the man who does everything in logo, right? So that's why I call him hero of the logo. This portion is called the head of the turtle, and this back portion of the turtle is called the tail of the turtle. And turtle always moves in the direction of its head, right? And this white area is called playground, or the drawing area. This is called, either you can call it playground of the turtle or you can call it drawing area, right? And then again we have these scroll bars on the right side and in the bottom. This is the home position of this turtle, and this position is called 0, 0. And then we have this second window, and we have commander written over its title bar. So this window is called commander window. And this portion, this gray portion, is called recall list. And this single line horizontal window is called command line. And this is the place where we usually write our commands. Or from here, if we write a command, this turtle will follow it, right? And then here we have a small pad, button pad. This is also called button box, right? And here we have different kind of buttons. Halt, or this will stop logo from running. Then we have trace, and this is very useful when you write a procedure in logo where you write multiple commands, or you give multiple commands one after another to turtle to draw something very complicated. And then if you are not able to draw it properly, this trace command comes very handy in finding the error in your procedure, right? And then we have this pause button, which will pause the working of logo for that moment, right? Then we have status. This actually shows the status of different parameters of logo, like pen size, then orientation, then turtle, the position of the turtle, then the color of pen color, flood color, screen color, palette, and many other things, right? We are going to use all this in the next few lessons, where we are going to learn drawing in logo. See, the status window is on, and if I click it again, this is gone, right? And then we have this reset button, which will reset, which will erase everything on the playground of the turtle, whatever he has done, and bring it back to home. So this is the reset button, and it's very important. Then we have execute button, and then we have end all, and this is also called buy or exit button, right? Then we have this step button. In most of the logo softwares, there is one yield button over here, which actually takes all the processing resources and allocate them to logo. And nowadays, like, computers are very fast, so we need not to use this button, right? And yes, let's first give some command to this turtle. We have certain set of primitives defined for turtle in logo, which we are going to learn in next few videos, but I would like to tell you one command, which is forward. So let me write FORWORD, forward. This command will take turtle forward, and then you have to give him how many steps, and each step in logo is actually a point, right? So if I write 20 over here, just see carefully, and then either I can press this execute button, if you give a wrong command, this is going to shout at you like this. So better you remember spellings, FORWARD, and 20 is the number of steps this turtle has to go ahead. Oh yes, now it draws a line. So it draws a straight line of 20 pixels or 20 points or 20 tiny steps of the turtle going in the forward direction, right? And then I'm going to talk about these options on the menu. This is file, and here you have options like new, where you can open a new file. Then you have load. So if you have already stored program in Logo, you can load from here, and then you can save and save as. These two options, I know you must be familiar with them. And then we have edit option, which when you press, you can go to another window where you can enter the name of the procedure you want to edit, and after this you will be taken to one more window where you can write the procedures. See, if I write pro as a procedure, and then we are taken to this window. Here to, pro, and end, these are the definition of the procedure, and here you can write the procedure, edit it, and save it, and you can do all kind of things which you want to do, right? So we will learn how to write procedure in one of our videos. So for the time being, let me remove this window. So that was the procedure window, and then we have erase, which will erase everything, or which will help you erasing the drawing you have done. And then we have exit. If you press this exit, you will be taken out of this application. And after this we have bitmap. So this bitmap is actually related to the drawing you have done on the main screen, right? So here it is new. See, our old drawing is gone, which was just a line. Then you can load your old stored pictures which you have drawn in Logo. Then you can save your picture, save as, and through this print, if you have a printer attached to your computer, you can print your drawing. You can set your printer, you can do printer setup, and you can also define the active area on the screen, right? And then we have set. Set menu has, you can set pen size. See, we have so many pen sizes, right? This is the original one which we have used, and if I use this pen size, we will get a thicker line, and then you have different kind of pen sizes. Okay, so let me go back to our original pen size, and I'll say okay. And then you can change the font of the label through label command. You can write something on the Logo screen, right? And then you can set the font of commander window. Then you can change the pen color, you can change the flood color, you can change the screen color, right? And here we have zoom in, zoom out, and normal. And this is the help. If you want any help, you can use this help menu and search for a command. They'll tell you how to use that command. So this was the introduction to Logo screen, or the different parts or the options available in Logo. So in the next video, we are going to learn about basic primitives of Logo, and which video it is. Just below this video screen, you can see a link. If you click, that will be your next video, right? So bye bye till then, and don't forget to watch next video, in which I am going to talk about primitives. Basic primitives are the basic commands in Logo. So bye bye till then.